on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, and I apologize about that. But what I have here is my E92 335i, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this Megan Racing Supremo exhaust on. What I currently have is just a muffler delete. I just got a muffler delete on it right now. It's the stock pipes coming out of the mid pipe with a welded just exhaust and two tips. The tips, they don't look terrible. They were kind of beat up, so I painted them black. But the thing is that the hanger up here, see that hanger? It snapped off there. So this tip likes to droop, picks itself up and droops, you see that? And then not to mention it has a terrible drone. So even though I liked it for temporarily, because I was really anxious to get some noise out of this thing, especially it being my first E92 M3, I bit the bullet, bought this for like $100, and now it's time for it to go. It's just has too much drone and it attracts too much attention. So I just hate that it sags and it has too much drone. So that's why I figured we'll just do the Supremo, just because it was cheap. It was like $300 used, and it'll keep me hopefully a little more. It'll probably hopefully buy me a little bit more time, because I want to save it for a Bomez or a Valvetronic or something that has a complete valve system. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to polish these tips. These are I already polished these a little bit by hand. You can see these have like a brown bronze color, and they're the burnt tips. And this one already has a bit more of a silver color, and the burnt tip kind of came off with the polish. So I'm gonna try to polish these completely, get these nice and chrome, because I think it'll look better. And then we'll go ahead and throw this on the M3. All right, so here are our polished tips. You can kind of see a little bit of the burnt part there still. Not the end of the world. I like how this is like a nice Supremo there. So looks really good compared to what it was, in my opinion. So I'm really excited, because only ups the value in my eyes of what I got. Especially if those burnt tips wouldn't have come off, that'd have been kind of annoying, because it's kind of ugly. But this works, so sweet. Take one last look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cold start in the M3 so you guys can hear it, and then we'll get that pulled in here and get that installed. All right, here's the cold start with the muffler delete and stock mid pipe. So that's it installed. You guys heard the little cold start. It sounds good. It's obviously a little quieter than I thought it would be, but that's fine, because I'm probably going to do some sort of mid-pipe mod next. I'm either going to do like test pipes, or maybe the secondary cat delete, or maybe the resonator delete, just to make it a little louder. And then we'll see how that goes. I just like playing with it. This is different. Listening to the different tones. Obviously, muffler delete sounds good as far as loudness, but on the freeway it was terrible. So we're gonna give it a couple of revs so you guys can hear it revving. It's warm now, and yeah, go ahead and rev it. So here's Megan Racing Supremo, stock mid pipe, and the axle back. So it's obviously, like I said, pretty quiet, but it does sound really good as far as V8 noises go. So that's pretty sick. So yeah, like I said, at the end of the day, I paid $200 for this. I traded a part plus $200. So that part, I just had it in my backyard, so it worked out in my favor. $200 for this. Now I got the full tips. I got chrome tips again. I just got to clean the inside of the mufflers, obviously, because I have a little polish in there. And besides that, yeah, it's almost ready to go. I mean, got the I didn't make a video on this, but I got lowering springs, H&R. Actually Ibach. No, H&R lowering springs, and I got this front lip for like $60, and I re-epoxied it. So this is better than paying $500 for a new lip. Next mods are gonna be the headlights. I'm gonna redo the headlights, put new lenses, put new halo rings, and yeah, just I'm saving my money because I really want an exhaust. I gotta buy an exhaust. I want new wheels. I gotta get new wheels, and I want to wrap this as well. So all these are the big ticket items. So doing all the little ticket items while I can. So yeah, and then actually my TPMS sensor just fell apart, so it's rattling in my wheel. And for some reason, since it's loose now, it works because my TPMS light went away, because I've had that on since I bought the car, and I was about to switch the sensor out, and it's just a headache. So, and then before I leave, I'm going to show you guys the M Performance, give it a little rev. This is stock cats, stock mid pipe, and just the M Performance rear muffler. A little rev, give it a little rev. Oh my gosh, bro. Don't mind the black smoke. I don't know what's going on. I think he needs injectors, but yeah, this is a 335i M Performance. You guys saw it on the channel. I still think this car is one of the rarest cars we've ever found. I mean, where else do you find an M Performance 335i, right? He wants to sell it. I want to sell it too, just because it's like, it's cool, it's nice, but it's so dialed right now that we don't even want to mess with the tune, because it has the M Performance tune. I don't even want to risk having to say, oh, I lost the stock tune, so we can't tune it. We can't do much with it. You can't even change his wheels out because they're M Performance wheels. So it's like, it's such a sick car that we can't do anything to it. Unlike this, like, you can keep modding these and it doesn't really take away from it, because this is a higher mileage car, so nobody cares. Somebody's going to drive it up to like 200,000 miles. But this thing, we just can't do anything to it. So kind of sucks, but it's still sick. And I still like driving anywhere, because every time I meet you guys or anybody I meet, and they always see me driving this thing, they always go, what's this? And I get to tell them exactly what it is, and they end up walking away going, dang, I've never seen one of these before. And me either. So yeah, that's the update on the 335 E92 M3 and the 335i M Performance. We still got them. We're still whipping them around. Obviously, we'd be fools to try to sell these before summer, because these are our summertime cars. We've been working all winter on them. So yeah, now we're just going to enjoy the summer, and then hopefully he'll sell this. I'll have more money to do a sick mod to this. The main thing is I want to wrap this. It's a color I've done in the past. If you know, you know. If you don't, look at my profile, you take a guess. And then this, like I said, he wants a 335i manual, so we can really do some mods. So that being said, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.